Hey, what is up guys? This is Tone here, and today I'm going to be showing you a speed art of a webcam overlay that I designed. And real quick, I just want to say, if you aren't subscribed, please do subscribe. As you can see here, not many people are subscribed, so thank you for that. And at the end of the video, I'm going to show you how to actually download this. So yeah, feel free to watch to the end, and thank you for watching.
That's how it goes when you Hollywood perfect. Hollywood perfect. That's how it goes when you Hollywood perfect. Hollywood perfect. Ain't got no place to call my own. Feels like I'm better off alone. So sad inside and hopeless. These Hollywood hoes never notice. Can't get back up. Girl, I miss you. Can't get back up. Girl, I miss you. Somehow I woke up out in Beverly, fucked up, smelling like that bourbon. And I end up alone. I'm not certain. Yeah, the girls impolite in the club every night. That's how it goes when you Hollywood perfect. Hollywood perfect. That's how it goes when you Hollywood perfect. Somehow I woke up out in Beverly, fucked up, smelling like that bourbon. How'd I end up alone? I'm not certain. Yeah, the girls impolite in the club every night. Somehow I woke up out in Beverly, fucked up, smelling like that bourbon. How'd I end up alone? I'm not certain. Yeah, the girls impolite in the club every night. That's how it goes when you're Hollywood perfect. Hollywood perfect. Hollywood perfect. Hollywood perfect. That's how it goes when you Hollywood perfect.
Alright, so thank you guys for watching to the end. I hope you enjoyed the speed art. How you actually go and download this is you go to my website, at1neatone.com/shop, and you can just go to at1.com and then click shop right here, and that'll take you here. And as you can see, you have the free webcam overlay, and you just click add to cart, and then you check out, and you don't have to put in a credit card or anything, and all you have to do is put in your email, and then it'll send you an email. But you're also just able to download it from the site once you check out of your cart. So you'll get a ping, and it's really easy. All you have to do is put it in your OBS or something, and it'll be there for you to use. So hope you guys did enjoy. This has been Tone. Peace out.